Hi guys, today we are going to make mashed potato. So the ingredients are potato, we need mozzarella cheese shredded, mushroom, 1 onion cut into small pieces, and garlic, shredded carrots, green pepper, shredded chicken, and a liquid KDD cream. These are the spices for the potato. We need small butter, 2 spoons of milk powder, and half teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 spoon of salt. And for the spices of our sauce, we need the 1 Maggi cubes, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon Madras curry powder, and half teaspoon chicken spices. So first, we'll boil the 3 potatoes for 15 minutes. So first, we boil the potato for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, our potato is done. Now we're going to peel it up and smash it. So here's our potato now, no skin at all. So now we are going to smash it. Me, I use this one to smash the potato, like that. And then you put the spices, the butter, the milk, and the black pepper and the salt. And then mix it, you smash it together until it's done. So now it's finished smash. We're now going to make the sauce. So in an empty pan, you make it hot, and then when it's hot, you put a little bit of oil. And then you put the garlic, and then you put the onion. When it's slightly brown, you put the chicken. And mix them. Now we put the spices. And mix it on it. Then you put the mushroom. And then we put the vegetables, the carrots and the pepper. Then we mix it. Now you put the cream. Really, it's not enough, you add some salt. Taste it good. Now our cream is done, so we are now ready to put it in the Pyrex. So this is our empty Pyrex. Now we are going to put the sauce that we make down. You spread it down like this. And now we are ready to make the mashed potato into balls or circle, small circle. So we wash our hands and we make circles. And then you make a open here, and then you put cheese inside. Then you close it. Like this, and now it's on our Pyrex. Then you make too much until our Pyrex is full. So it's done. You put some cheese up and a little bit of cream. So this, we put the cream little bit, and now we put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's here now in the oven. Put it to 180 degree for 15 minutes. So now our mashed potato is done. All the cheese is melt and it's look delicious, and it's ready to serve. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and let's stay connected. Bye bye.